Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the working codes that you can redeem in Fish Ed game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up this menu and then you can scroll down until you find the redeem codes menu. And then for the first code, it will be purple moon. Just type in purple moon and you will get the exclusive bait. I'm going to click on, oops, I got typo guys, sorry. Okay, this is the code and I have already redeemed this code and it will be the purple bait. Wait, let me show you how the bait looks like. Okay, I'm going to go to the bait. Okay, you will get this purple moon bait. And then the second one guys, the second code that you can redeem is the crystals. Wait. Alright, you can enter this code and I have already redeemed it. Okay, and you will get the lock potions. Wait, let me show you my items. Okay, and you will get the lock 2 potions. Okay guys, and these are the working codes that you can redeem in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.